Water companies could soon be hit with polluting sewage and
Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are, the Kaligtasan.
So today, we will investigate the state of local resources at Malag, Butuan City. In this community, people depend on two water sources. The river that is connected to Masa River and also known Bomba or water pump. These water sources are also very important for the daily life, such as cleaning and washing. As of now, some people still bathe in the river. In this video, we will explore their condition, the challenges they face, and what we can do to protect them through our investigation. Tara!
First, let's talk about the river. This river is connected to Masao River and is important for fishing, irrigation, and even people's livelihood. But when we looked closer, we saw a big problem. Many parts of the river are polluted. There's household trash, plastics, and even pig manure, and other animal waste flowing straight into the water. Because of this, the river is dirty and unsafe for drinking. Still, people continue to bathe here and catch fish here.
Now, let's move on to the bomba or water pump. A lot of families depend on it for their water, but it also has issues. Sometimes, the pump gets clogged or stuck. Since there's no proper drainage, water collects around the bomba and becomes stagnant, which attracts mosquitoes. On top of that, a few are a little rusty and old, which makes the water less.
And now, here we are at Malag, Libertad, Butuan City, and we will ask the local residents about the river and the bomba. Good morning, Miss. Good morning, Ma'am. Would you like to try us questions about the river? Yeah, please. So, have you ever bathed, washed clothes, or done other activities in the river?
Before, kinagaligod yun sa river, ako, my siblings and my cousins, then kanang, ang ako ang siblings nga isa akong manghod kay naga-fishing gani siya before and until now.
So, what can you say about the present condition of the river in your area?
Nowadays kay kugon gid kayo ang river, dili na siya before na maintain siya cleanliness. That's why nagaligo gani mi kay limpyo siya, pero kanang karon kay daghan na gid kaayo kanang basura, something dili na siya masabta ng kahugas.
So, why do you think that happened?
Siguro kay sa mga tao po nga magpataka og labay, like ang mga diapers sa ilang babies or kanang mga trash can nila nga ginalabay ra sa river, then kana pong kuan, especially sa kanang nagabuhay gani og animals da kanang baboy, then syempre ang mga tai, ihi or what sa mga hayop kay moderesto sa river.
Okay, so next thing, have you ever used the bomba before and are you still using it now?
Yeah, sometimes, sa karon kay sometimes na lang siya kay na naman yung dito.
But before?
Yeah, every day.
Okay. So, in using the bomba, what problems or difficulties have you experienced now and before?
Now, before kay dili mo kayo siya less kay ang problem, but karon kay kanang ganing drainage ka nang mag-stock ang pag-ana nimo kay ma-stock ang kanya, dili siya dali mo gawas ang water, and then kanang maligo ka, then wala kayo siya kanang pang-drain, gani mag-stock ang water dito sa area sa naibumba. So, naapon siya possible nga magkakasi o dengue kay nag-stock gani ang water, wala siya drainage. Yeah, kay naka-stock mo ng water.
That's all. Thank you. Bye.
Hapon ante,
May nga po sa Bonsai Ato.
what is your water resources here in Malalag?
From Jitmatic. Jitmatic man na.
Roda bomba dito.
Jitmatic siya.
So, Nami, we have two questions. First question is, how important is the bomba water for your family?
Also very important kay binsay na nako ha kay since the beginning diha gid mi inom. So kad nga nakuha na siya kana banggi adto sa City Hall gi kuan bitaw kanang gi water testingan siya. So okay man ang iyang baga quality or iyang source. So mo nang among giinom. So very important na para sa ako, sa amo diri taga Malalag. Minsan gani na ay taga Village 2 or taga Crossing, taga Porok 6, taga bisan asa mo sahod gid sila din ha.
So, dagan siya purpose sa katong inyong kan.
Sa unsa nga daghan purpose?
Like, cleaning, washing.
Oh, maglaba, lungag, unya normal kaligo or tanan iya ging na kuan kanang amo ging na gamit kana nga tubig.
Do you think the water here is safe for daily use? Why or why not?
Yes, very safe kay imagine kuan guna siya 7 to 8 ka kanang tubo nya kada tubo is 20 feet, so i-times sa 7 so 140 feet ang kalawmon. So I'm sure nga safety gina siya kaysa deep well, di ba? Ang deep well is atabay man na, so asa may mas safety nga di man na siya open, so safety gid siya. Okay, mo na.
Thank you. More to that's all.
Oh, sige,
Thank you for your time. Good afternoon, Ante. As we can see man, no, kay ang inyong water sources there is the bomba. So, unsa man may ngoni mo sa bomba? Useful ba siya or useless?
Di ba, kuan, useful, kay kuan man, ganang ang among pangita, nga mag-awas sa perminti. Mura.
Magamit siya sa mga kalay ka ng maligo mo.
Maligo, manglaba, ang bulak, nga na ra.
Pwede siya mainom.
Mainom tingali ni kay kuan man, kanang 8 man katubo, sinta.
So, para sa imo, safe ra siya gamiton.
Safe. Kay, siyempre, kanang di man tayo nga kuan, kay tama sa ilalom.
So, unsa may importance paano niya te? Besides sa mga maglaba mo or manghugas, gamit po siya sa mga tanom ano.
Oo,
mga
gamit hayop, to, mga kuan, baboy, pang kaligo, anak.
So, maara to te, thank you.
Thank you po.
In our interview with the local residents, they shared that the river and the bumba are very important sources of water for their daily lives. In their statement, some parts of the river and several bumbas are still kept clean, and in fact, some residents can even drink from them. However, they also admitted that there are problems, such as garbage being thrown into the river, animal waste, and the lack of proper drainage around some bumbas, which causes stagnant water. Our observation confirmed what the locals told us. We saw polluted parts of the river caused by human activities, stagnant water at the bumba that becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes, and rusty or poorly maintained bumbas that make the water less clean. This finding shows that while some water sources are still safe and maintained, many parts are at risk if they are not properly cared for.
To protect and conserve our water resources, it is important to take responsible action as a community and as a person. First, cleanup drives along the riverbanks should be organized. If trash is removed regularly, the river will stay clean, safe, and prevent pollution.
Secondly, proper drainage must be built near in the bombas. This will prevent water from collecting on the ground and reduce mosquito breeding. This will also help families be safe from waterborne diseases.
Third, water conservation at home can help. Simple actions such as turning off the faucet when not in use, collecting rainwater for cleaning, and reusing water whenever possible can help. Because remember, small actions when put together can create a bigger impact. Fourth, waste segregation and recycling must be practiced. If we segregate biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste, less garbage will reach the river and the bumba. This is where remember the 4 R's: reuse, recycle, reduce, and refuse.
Tree planting along the riverbank should be encouraged since trees protect the watershed, help filter water naturally, and keep the environment healthy. In Malalag, there are already many trees near the river, which shows how important it is to maintain and protect them.
If these actions are practiced of each community, the quality and the safety of water in each community sources can be protected.
In these simple actions can make a big difference in protecting and conserving our water for the future. Protect our water, protect our future. This is our community, our water, and our responsibility.